So we're here at the Refuge Place International Clinic. We've been doing a tour. They provide obstetrics care, they're doing eye care, and they're going to expand into elderly care soon.
Already done that.
Already doing some of that. You can see how much construction's going on. What I want to cite is a couple things. The well. This well was built in 2013. Provides the water for about 600 homes in this area. So all of the residents in this community can come and get drinking water. So what we're looking at here is the record-keeping files for the clinic. You can see it's all paper and files. This is one of the complications that these kind of clinics have, is trying to keep these files and records up to date when you have a very difficult time with just paper files.
Imagine going through all of this to find someone's number.
Oh yeah.
So it's so difficult for us to go to the chart.
Here we are in the pharmacy. As you can see, there's limited medications.
Because of our patient, around 45 to 47% of our patients in malaria cases,
Okay.
we are forced to resort to quinine.
Quinine.
Quinine is what we use here.
Yeah.
But that's not acceptable, but that's the only thing available now. Ronke was my classmate from Harvard.
Okay.
We stayed in touch after my graduation. She's now doing her PhD in anthropology at University of Michigan.
And you are from Nigeria.
But then in my first fall in school was when Ebola broke out.
Yes.
And I was like, okay, this is what I want to do.
Alain is our administrator for the central.
Okay. So
Alain is our administrator.
You administrated this whole clinic.
Jim is my liaison. Consider assistant he was an honor grad and an intern with me. Now he has blossomed on to become my right hand. Jerome and I have been closer together, my best buddy, my travel, my friend.
This one?
Been hunting Ebola together, we hunted Ebola together.
An Ebola hunter.
Yes. Yeah, I'm Augustine Shepherd.
He was a nursing student when Ebola started.
Okay.
And I developed this system of tracking Ebola in communities. So I recruited him to work with me. Right? Martee is our arm nurse.
You're
Optomic nurse.
Morris?
You do the ophthalmological testing, and you're doing that in schools.
Yes.
And then also you'll be setting up free programs for students, kids, to get glasses. Ruth Bacon, you were adopted by Esther. Yes. Esther died from a Lassa fever in 1940s, and Ruth has been carrying on doing this work since then. You're 200 years old.
And she has the energy of a 20-year-old.
Yeah. How many babies have you delivered? Thousands? Thousands and thousands?
So we moved here in 1981 when I left West Point. After the 1980 military coup, when Turbo got killed, people moved here as squatters. All the poor people came and grabbed. They were just land grabbing. These are our kids. Wow, 100%.
Whoa, good job.
This is my mom. She's Mosoka Fallah.
Mosoka Fallah?
Yes. She had 8 of us. One is dead.
How many people live here in this house?
Hey, oh my God, how many here? I don't want to put you there. We have 16 to 18. I think one of the coolest things, as I said, is that sign. Is the clinic is impacting the community. We are able to track all the horses, track the disease spreading, and help us to measure the health of the community.
I'm John M. Lamin, Development Chairman of this community.
John
M. Lamin. He built the structures for those that cannot afford to pay higher rental fees. That's how he called the town low-cost village. Low-cost village again came to know Dr. Fallah in 2014. When Ebola broke out in the country, this community alone lost 18 of our good citizens. We sent 22 to the ETU. Only 4 came back as survivors. We have about 36 orphans residing in this community. So this is one of the clinics that is completed. And Dr. Fallah said, okay, what do you want us to do? We said, well, we want you to build us a clinic. Well, we have decided to dedicate this building this month, 28th of February. I yearning and crying to have a school building for the communities. As soon as the children are of the age of school going, they can easily enter there.
Life is so hard.
Life is hard.
The children, they don't have access to school, a health facility. And you find a pregnant woman who in a hammer for 2 hours before delivery. It's difficult here.
Niema. This is a mud hut village of about 300 people. There's no schools. There's no hospitals, really. And most of these kids don't even go to school because it's so far. It's taken us about an hour to get here, more or less, on a one road, almost impassable.
We have 32 town villages around the community.
Yeah, we got to speed up, man. Let's put all differences, let people get the same.
When the rains come, this becomes a mudslide. You're walking 2 hours to go to school? Yeah. There, and then 2 hours back?
Yeah. The architect, the drawing, somebody's supposed to have it. We have it. And now the plan is, I just got from my brother that the mason is supposed to come to town tomorrow.
To start doing?
To start doing some work tomorrow. Because they have some materials on ground.
Yeah, we saw the materials, yeah.
The school is here, but it's very far.
Yeah, they're walking 2 hours.
I think more than 2 hours.
We had a pregnant woman on the next village. After this village,
called
the next village,
Bainstown.
Yes. But she was about to give birth, but there was no way. And there no car, no vehicle, no ambulance, nothing. They called for the ambulance, send them and said there's no fuel. So they have to pour into Hamilton to the tire and pour on the shoulder.
What I explained to you there.
So this happened this morning?
It happened this morning.
Stress, when stress getting pregnancy is very bad.